Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. So let's get started. So here we are in wix.com, and we're currently in our editor page for our website. So the next thing that we need to do in order for us to add Google reviews here is you want to go into elfsight.com. So once you're here in elfsight.com, you want to hover here, widgets, and go for Google reviews right here. And then once you're here in the Google reviews, you should be seeing this right here. So now you can select a template that you would want for your Google reviews. So in my case, I'll just want this carousel widget. And then once I'm satisfied with the design, you can click on continue with this template. And then from here, you can now provide your business name and an address. This one is very important because this is where we will be importing the reviews from on Google Reviews. So for example, here is Brooklyn Museum. So let's just try that right here. So now we will be importing the reviews from Brooklyn Museum into our Wix website. So that is basically how it works. And then you can design the layout right here. If you would want to, you can do it like this, but I would just want carousel, and then you can go for the header right here. Depending on what you want, you can go for this one, you can go for reviews, the style, the colors that you would want right here. So in my case, I'll just want this. Now once you are all satisfied with the design and everything, you can now click on add to website for free. Click on that, and now you would be presented with this one right here. So the next thing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna publish this, but in this case it's already published. And now to install this into our Wix website, all we have to do is close right here and click on install. And then from here you would have the code. So you would need to copy this code, and then from here you would need to go into your editor page and go click on add elements and go for embed code right here. Click on embed HTML, and then from here let's just paste this right here. Paste and update. And after that, you should be seeing it here right now. So all we have to do is expand this box right here so that we will now be able to see it. And now what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna reposition this maybe right here, and we're just gonna click on drag right here so that it would create a space. And now we're gonna insert it and position it right here. We're gonna resize this right there. So maybe I want it to be this size right there, and I'm gonna reposition this right here, maybe just like that. I think that is already good. So I'm just gonna go and do that. So now there we have it. We now have the Google reviews here in our Wix website. So that is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.